Pag yung cervix nyo nandito, ibig sabihin your cervix. If you already dipped your finger, full finger in, pero hindi nyo pa rin makapa, it means that you're... Today, we're gonna talk about how to measure your cervix. So first, you need to measure your cervix few days before your period or within or during your period para mas accurate yung pag-measure nyo. Kasi nag-iiba-iba yung height ng ating cervix. In order to know if you're high or low cervix, so you have to just measure it using your finger. You can also use a tape measure. So, i-measure nyo lang yung finger nyo. Depende kung saan nyo nakapa yung cervix nyo. So, our cervix, it's like very dense part siya. Ito siya. So, makakapa nyo siya parang tip of your nose. Kasi normally malambot yung inside natin. Pag yung cervix nyo nandito, ibig sabihin your low cervix. If you already dip full finger in, pero hindi nyo pa rin makapa, it means that you're high cervix. So, low cervix, pwede mag-work yung mga smaller disc like this one. Kasi dito lang naman siya sa bungad. So, kung yung cervix nyo nandito lang naman, sakto lang yung small disc, masasalo pa rin ng cervix. Pero of course, if you have high cervix, kailangan syempre bigger disc like this one. This is our menstrual disc with extended leak guard in size large. So this is very suited for those people who have very high cervix kasi malaki yung size niya. Ayan. So fully covered lahat hanggang sa ilalim.